A very beautiful morning to my dear children of Maharaja Public School, and a very warm welcome to our basic English grammar video session. As you all know that we have already discussed regarding the prepositions and when and where it is used. Regarding that, we are going to handle the class. And in our previous session, we have already discussed regarding the preposition at and on. Today, we are going to discuss the preposition in. Now, why this in is used? In is used before a period of time. In is used before a period of time. Remember that in the preposition in is used before a period of time. There is a period, and before that period of time we use the preposition in. For example, it is given in the winter, because winter it is a period of time. It's not a time, it's a period of time. So when we are discussing or when we are pronouncing about the winter, we use the in, preposition in, because it is a time period. It's not time, it's a period of time. That is what the example is given over there. And here one more example is given in July, in the month of July. I will meet you in the month of July. In the month of July, because July is a period of time. Is it very clear? 30 days or 31 days, whatever it is a period of time. And when we are indicating about the time period, we are indicating the preposition in. Same in the year 2005, in the morning, in the evening, etc. All these words shows that it is a period of time, and when we are describing a period of time, we use the preposition in. Now, one more thing is very important. In is also used to show the total length of time. The total length of time taken to complete an action or operation. I will repeat it again. In is also used to show. It is also used to show. क्या दिखाने के लिए in use करते हैं? The total length of time. कितना टाइम लिया है? ये टोटल लेंथ कितना है टाइम का, यानी कि ड्यूरेशन हो या टाइम, लेंथ ऑफ टाइम, हाउ मच इट इज. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस टेकन, किस लिए? टेकन टू कंप्लीट एन एक्शन. एक काम करने में जितना टाइम हम ले रहे हैं वो टाइम ड्यूरेशन कहते समय वी यूज द प्रीपोजिशन इन. इज इट वेरी क्लियर? इन इज यूज टू शो द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ टाइम. टोटल लेंथ जैसे मैंने बताया था, कितना टाइम ले रहा है एक काम करने के लिए, आधा घंटा या एक पौने घंटा, वन आवर, वॉट एवर द टाइम लेंथ. फॉर दैट टाइम लेंथ वी यूज द इन. इज इट वेरी क्लियर? द प्रीपोजिशन इन. नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू example is given here. The train will get you from Delhi to Chennai in 4 hours. Here the time period is given. The duration of time is given 4 hours. So before that time duration, we used to put or apply the preposition in. Is it very clear? Okay. Next come our during. The preposition during. When a action continues for some time, जब एक काम continuously हो रहा है कुछ देर के लिए, for some time, during is used before that specific period. उस टाइम हम during, preposition during को यूज करते हैं किसके? before specific time. वो जो टाइम का दिया हुआ है उस ड्यूरिंग में, उस पीरियड में कितना हो रहा है, उस टाइम के ऊपर वी आर यूजिंग दिस preposition during. For example, as I told you, when an action continues for some time, a time up to one time it extends. When the action is extending for some time, during is used. At the time we use the preposition during. For example, we enjoyed ourselves during the vacation. Here during is used because the vacation is a long time of period of time. The second one, please work during the day. The day is not 1 or 2 hours, it is nearly 12 hours. So please work for during the day, because it is a period of time, and for using the period of time we use the preposition during. So these are the two main preposition words, and in our previous class we have discussed the preposition on and at. In our coming next session, I hope that we will be discussing regarding other prepositions, and I has also told you what important role did the preposition play to frame a suitable and a perfect sentence. Hope all of you are going through my video sessions and going through my classes and understanding, getting the knowledge about the basic grammar in English, and I hope that for our next for our next academic year when we meet in our classroom, I hope that I will be getting a very positive response and a very much improving attitude from you. Thank you very much and have a very beautiful day. Be home, be safe. Thank you.